This is the first video of my channel, so please go through it and like if you like it, please support me. That's all up to you. And the technique or the way I teach is, you know, I explain everything. It's all up to this. That. So let's go through our first question, which is a DSA question, which name says move all zeros to end, which meant to right. uh, to the right. So the question is you are given an array of non-negative integers, like all the values should have greater than zero or equals to zero as well. So you have to move all the zeros in the of the array to the right and while maintaining the relative orders of non-zero elements. The operation must be in place. Okay. Meaning you should not use extra spaces or another. This means like this is an array given to you. This is a test case which we are gonna take as example as well. So here what we have is 1 2 0 4 3 0 5 0. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to traverse through this array only and do have not to create any new array. Okay. So how we are gonna do this? Okay. This is a traditional way of doing this. What is a traditional way of doing this? We have to check if the array element which is given is not zero. If it's not zero, then it should be state its position. Okay. Or it should be come first, or it should swap with the element which is zero. So how we are gonna do this? Let's go through the code which I have done before. In this code, what I have done is I take an variable name as index, which I assign as zero, which I assign as zero. So I iterate the loop through this specific. I take an example or test case of that specific array. I iterate through this array. Okay. And what I gonna check is if array of I in that case, which is zero, is not equal to zero. In that case, array of I means array of zeroth position, which is one for now. One is not equals to zero. This like condition is true. Then what we are gonna do is we are gonna swap with whom? Like array of I to array of IDX means like I and IDX in that case is zero. Like IDX is zero as well and I is zero as well. So both gonna remain same. One is at the same place. In answer array we can see. Okay. And after this swapping all those things, we gonna iterate like we gonna increment index as well. I will iterate by one, IDX will be iterated by one as well. Okay. So for another day, another iteration, our I became one. So our array is at this position, which is two for now, and IDX is one as well. So if I and IDX is one, after swapping, after swapping, the element we get at that specific position will be same. In that case, two will be there. Okay. And we will increment I and IDX by one as well. So our IDX is 3. Sorry for the IDX is 2 and I is 2 as well. Now we are gonna check is uh, all the conditions is 2 for now. If array of I not equals to 0, in that case array of 2 we have 0 not equal to 0. It is false. So what we are going to do is we gonna skip this phase and IDX will not increment, but I will be incremented. I will be incremented. Okay. So what we gonna do is we're gonna check. In that case, what we have as I is 3 and IDX is 2. So we're gonna check array of 3. Array of 3 we have 4. Okay. Is not equal to 0. Yeah, 2 not equals to 0 it is. Then what we're gonna do is in temp we're gonna put array of I, which is 4 for now. 4 is an array of I. Then array of I become empty. In array of I we put array of IDX. Okay. In array of IDX we have nothing. Okay. So in array of I, nothing will be there. So in array of idx means array of two. Here is array of two. Okay. In array of two, we're gonna store temp. In temp, what we have? In temp, we have four. So what will be gone there? Zero and forward will be swapped. So our forward will be there and zero will be there for now. Okay. And idx will be incremented by one. So idx became three and idx became 3 and I became 4 for now. We're gonna again check array of I means array of 4. Here is 3 we have is array of 4 is not equals to 0. It is true. Then what we are gonna do is array of temp stored array of 4 which is 3. In temp we have 3 array of I. What we have array of I for now it's empty. In array of idx we have 0. We have 0 in array of I, which is like what is array of I? Array of I means 3, which is 4. Okay. Here we're gonna store 0 and array of idx means 3 for now. We are gonna store 3 only. So here in position of 4, where we have 0 for now. 4 is there, 0 is there, here 3 will be there, 3 will be there, and here 0 will be there for now. We are not gonna see this, but for now here 0 will be there, and in such a way all those things work. Okay, and we got our result. Okay, so first of all we're gonna compile this and run this. Let's see if it's worked perfectly or not. Yeah, we get our desirable output. Let's submit this and check all the test cases were run or not. Was the running or not? Is the running or not? My English is bit of weak, but let it be. English doesn't matter, logic matters, but in corporate, English matters too, man. And I am doing it. That's not necessary what I am trying to do. Run, man. See, thanks for the video. Hope you guys like it. If you like it, like please show some support. Like this video, comment if you like it, subscribe. See you again in next video or next essay topic. Whatever question we have, go with the next question.